You dropped Mickey. Where did Minnie go? Where did Minnie go? Oh. Is that Mickey? Oh, is that your Mickey Mouse? Where's Minnie Mouse? Where did Minnie Mouse go? Do you have Mickey and Minnie? Oh, Mickey and Minnie? You clap your hands? You want the radio on? Whee! You dancing? What do you see? Some books? Oh. Oh, is that your pop-up book? You gonna read that book? Hey Ryan, what's in that book? Is that your Mickey Mouse book? Mickey Mouse? Hey Ryan, Ryan, can you give the book a kiss? Can you give the book a kiss? Oh, that's so nice. Can you wave to Mommy? Hi, hi. Okay, what are you doing? You getting in your truck? Alright, I'm turning off the camera now, okay? You're funny.